In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a board in Trello. Whether you're looking to better organize your projects or simply want to give your board a fresh title that better represents its content, this guide has got you covered. We'll walk through these steps in a straightforward and easy way, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log into your Trello account. Head over to the Trello website, and once you're on the home page, find the login button. It's generally located at the top right corner of the page. A quick click there should do the trick. Now, if you have your login information ready, you can enter it and sign in. However, Trello makes this even easier by allowing you to log in directly through Google. All you need to do is click on the Login with Google option. You'll then be prompted to choose your account from the list that appears. If you're already logged in through Google Chrome, it might auto-populate for you, which makes this step super convenient. Now that you're in, it's time to find the board you want to rename. Navigate over to your Trello homepage where all your boards are neatly arranged. Locate the specific board you wish to rename. As for our example today, let's just imagine we're working with a test board. Click on that board to open it up. Once the board is open and you've got a clear view of all the columns and cards, shift your attention to the top of the page where the board's title is displayed prominently. This title is fully editable and changing it is a breeze. Simply click on the current title and you'll notice it becomes an editable text field, allowing you to type in the new name you have decided on. Be sure to choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose of the board, possibly using keywords that will make it easily identifiable at a glance. After typing in the new title, make sure to hit enter or click out of the text field to ensure the changes are saved, and just like that your board has been renamed. If you go back to your Trello homepage, you'll see the updated board name displayed, making it much easier to locate in the future. And there you have it. Renaming a board in Trello is as simple as logging into your account, navigating to your board and updating the title. It only takes a few minutes but can make a world of difference in keeping your boards organized and reflective of their content. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.